Welcome to AMC Accounting Made Clear, Premium Accounting for Apple Macs. In this short video, we will learn how to create our own company on AMC AccountEdge. So the first thing you need to do is to download a free copy of the trial software from our website. The web address is www.accountingmadeclear.com. Once you have downloaded and installed your software, when you launch it, you should see the following screen. We have 4 different options here, and the option we want to choose to create a new company is the one that is titled Create. We now come to the New Company File Assistant, which talks us through the creation of our new company. So down at the bottom we click Next, and we now come to entering the information about the company. So at this point we need to enter in the different details about our company. So once you have entered in your basic information, the company name, company registration number if that's relevant, the tax registration number if that's relevant, the address, phone number, fax and email address. Once you've entered that basic information, we can then click Next. We now have to tell the system about our financial year, and it's very important that we get this right from the beginning. We need to make sure that our accounting year is set up correctly. So for this we need to figure out when our financial year actually runs from. Many people keep it in line with the calendar year, therefore running from January through to December. So that's what we're going to stick with right now. So we are going to end in December 2012, so we can leave that as current financial year 2012. This is always the year in which it ends, your financial year ends. So we're selecting the last month of financial year as being December, and then we need to select our conversion month. The conversion month is the month at which you start using the system, so your opening balances will be as of the first of whichever month you choose. So if I want to enter historical data in from January the 1st, 2012, I can then select January here, and it will allow me to enter historical data. If I'm actually starting right now, which is in April, I can actually select April, and it will start from April the 1st. We're selecting 12 periods in our accounting period. So when we click Next, it reiterates those different things. So our financial year is from the 1st of January 2012 to December 31st, 2012, and our conversion month is the 1st of April. So it warns you that you will not be able to enter any transactions before this date. So we can click Next. It next asks us to build our accounts list. This is our chart of accounts, or nominal ledger, or general ledger, whatever you like to call it. In AMC AccountEdge, it's actually called the accounts list. So you can either start with one of the lists provided by AccountEdge. You may have a specific chart of accounts that you would like to use, so you can also import one in, or you could build it yourself. Now I recommend that you start off with one of the lists that's provided by AccountEdge and then add to it. So here we can then select our industry classification. So if I choose retail, and you can see that down here I have a number of different things that I can then select. I'm going to select bookstore for this instance because that's the little company that I'm creating on here. It then amends the chart of accounts, the accounts list here, to be that of an average bookstore. It doesn't have all of your individual items that you may need to create, so it will require some customization a little bit later on. We click Next, and it tells us where it's actually going to be saving this file. So on my computer, on my hard drive, where it's actually putting it into documents, I can change that location should I want. It goes away and creates the company file. So now we are ready to start using the Easy Setup Assistant, which will guide us through the remainder of the setup, but essentially our company has now been created. Please log in to the next movie, which will show you how to use the Easy Setup Assistant. Thank you for watching.